So bail is basically the way that the courts make sure that you attend your court dates. When someone is charged with a crime and a bail is set, this is a monetary amount that the court is saying, I'm going to make this person pay this amount to guarantee that they show up for court. There are different types of bails or bond amounts. When you're talking about bail, you're talking about paying a certain amount of money in order to get out of jail, but that is guaranteeing your appearance in court. So this amount of money that you pay is supposed to guarantee that you show up to court, because if you don't show up to court, then you lose your money. There are different types of bail, though. There are bonds that are cash bonds where they say you have to pay $2,000 in cash. It's cash only, so you have to have someone come to the jail and actually pay cash for you, because unfortunately you cannot access your credit cards when you're in jail because it's locked up. So you need to have a friend or family member come pay that cash amount. The other ways you can have it is you can have surety or property. And this is where a bail bondsman really comes into play, where you can have a bail bondsman come to the jail and say, well, I'm going to put up a surety, or they'll take property in exchange for posting your bond for you. What that means is when someone acts as a surety, they're saying, okay, I'm coming in, I'm guaranteeing this amount of money this person's going to be able to get out of jail. I'm going to put up the money for them. So in the case of a bail bonds person, a family member normally will pay the bail bonds person a certain amount. It's a percentage though. And then that bail bonds person acts as the surety. They are ensuring that the client is going to appear at court. This is where that concept of bounty hunters comes in. I'm sure if you're in Colorado, you've heard of Dog the Bounty Hunter. This is where bounty hunters are used. Bail bondsmen have to ensure that you're going to come to court because they have acted as the surety for your bond. And if you don't show up, they will sick a bounty hunter on you. These people are very highly trained individuals who will come after you. They will find you in any state and they will drag you, sometimes physically, back to court. So when you're talking about bonds and bail bonds, you have to understand getting bail or posting a bond is you paying some type of money, either yourself or a family member or through a bonds person, to the courts as a way for the court to ensure that you are going to show up at your court date. And the idea is the higher the bail amount, the less likely you are to skip town. That's why you see much higher amounts set for more serious cases like murder, whereas with a DUI case, you may only see, $1,000 to $2,000.